it's easy to have faith. Everything is going to work out when everything is working out. It's much harder to have faith when you are facing challenges in your life. But that is exactly when you need to apply your faith. Because faith is believing in the unseen. Faith is taking the first step. Faith is jumping in the deep end and knowing everything will be okay. It's easy to be positive when everything is working out. It's much harder when nothing is working out. But that's when we need it the most. Everything worth the price is worth the fight. Everything worth the price will require a real fight to achieve that price. If you want the prize, you can't quit at half time. You can't quit mid-season. You must play the whole game. Pre-season, through the cold, through darkness, through the challenges, the opponents. You will be knocked down, but you must get up. Keep fighting, dig deep, and discover your true strength. Then you will win the real prize. Character expansion.
You rising to the next level. If I survive the storm, I can outdo the norm. To break through the norm, I must first survive the storms. To have more than most, I must do more than most. Believe more than most. Learn more than most. Sacrifice more than most. And again, believe more than most. Now, say to yourself, long term, I know what I need will come my way. Long term, I know if I keep at it, I will be rewarded. Long term, I know consistency pays off. Long term, I know all my actions, all my discipline, all my integrity will pay off in a big way. I have faith everything will work out. In the end, all will be fine. If I keep working, if I keep learning, if I continue to evolve, if I continue to adapt, and if I learn new ways.
Setbacks aren't always negative. Sometimes they are sent to guide us in a much bigger and better direction. But you can only see that if you show characters in those hard times. If you remain open-minded in the hard time. If you show strength through our struggle. Don't say, why me? Ask, how can I come out of this stronger? What can I learn? In the hard time, we see who really have the characters. In the hard time, we see what people are really made of. What are you made of? Tell me, what are you made of? Characters, expansions, gold, and pines. Find that strength that lies inside you. Trust that if you keep doing your things, you will be rewarded. It might not happen right away. It rarely does, but it will happen if you keep going. Don't allow regret to enter your life. Don't you just look back on your life in 5 years and think, I could have done more. If only I started out, I could have been in a much better position. No. Look back with pride. Look back and be able to say to yourself, it wasn't easy, but I am so proud I started out because I got my rewards. Make sure your story is one of strength. Make sure your story is one of someone who refuses to give up, refuses to settle, refuses to be normal. Keep going. Your future self is begging you